Now we'll take a quick look at the laser line level that they sent me. This is PTO204B. Not sure if it comes with batteries. Instruction manual if you need it. Nice little carry case, which is always nice. Oh yes, it does, it comes with batteries, so that's something less you don't have to worry about. Plastic packaging on some of these items is an absolute nightmare to try and get off. That wasn't too bad. Right, you have your positive, your negative, your power button. You have a connector by there for connecting it to a tripod if you need to do that. You have a lock button. It's unlocked at the moment, there we go. You can probably see that on the wall. That's if you want to lock it, like if you wanted to put a stair rail up the side of the stairs and you want to get it the correct angle to what your stairs are. Because obviously if it's unlocked, it's going to blink, showing you that it's not level. Basically, when it gets to a level floor, it stops blinking. If you turn it to the side, it tells you there's a problem. So by clicking the lock on the front, you can now switch the top, and then you can use it and have it whatever angle you want to have it on. Yeah, nice little tool. I don't think they're much. Again, I'll leave a link in the description to the Amazon page where you can get one. But yeah, cracking little entry-level laser leveler. So thanks to Hychika for sending these out for me to review. Thanks to Hychika for sending these out for me to review on my channel. Leave a link in the description, like I said. For the money, like I said, I know they're not much. I can't remember the price now, and I don't normally say prices on my channel because obviously you could be watching this a year or two from now and they could be slightly dearer, they could be slightly cheaper if they're on offer. So yeah, leave a link in the description. If you like what you see, check it out and get one yourself. Little money, but for big jobs. Thanks for watching.